Hello, in this video we will learn about the alignment formatting. So let's type hello in the cell. So here what you can do is, if you have selected number of cell and you want to center this particular hello in and you want to merge this cell, then you can click over here, merge and center the cell. So just click, so you can see the font has been centered in horizontal as well as in the vertical direction. So this was the merging and centering of the font. Now let us see the direction in the vertical and horizontal direction. So here this is the top direction, this is the center, and this is bottom in the vertical direction. Top, center and bottom. Let us keep it center. Now let's see in the horizontal direction. You can change the direction of the horizontal from the here at the bottom it is provided. So this is at the left side, center and right hand side. Left hand side, center and right hand side. Let us keep as in the center. Now let us see the orientation of the font. If you want to change the orientation in the clockwise direction, you can. There are many of the functions provided. Let us keep in the clockwise direction, then let us kept in the vertical direction, and various forms. You can also rotate text up, etc. Now if you want to make this in the original form, then you have to uncheck this thing, so it will become in the original form. Now if you are having the or you can say you want to add you want to have the spacing as in the paragraph, so here you can increase the space. So here you can see space will increase by clicking, and by clicking on this you will decrease the space. Okay, now if for example if there is long sentence, let's say hello is very long, and you can see that the it is not coming in particular cell. So what you can do is you can just warp cell in which the width of the cell will remain same, but the height will the adjust. So it will warp the text and it will adjust the text in the particular cell. So here this was the alignment formatting of the cell, which where we have seen the vertical alignment of the cell as well as horizontal alignment of the particular text, and we have also seen the orientation from the orientation command, and also the spacing of the para as well as warping text and merge and cell. In this also there are various kinds of merge and cell, so you can also unmerge the cell. For example, I have merged these cells, so just I have merged this whole cell. If I want to unmerge, and so you can press at unmerge cell, so it will be converted into number of cell original size. So here we have completed with the alignment formatting.